Hello, everyone. Welcome to the U.S. Immigration News. As you must be aware, recent U.S. immigration policies under the Trump administration have heightened scrutiny and tightened regulations, making international travel for green card holders more complicated than ever. If you're a green card holder planning an extended trip outside the United States, understanding the re-entry permit process is essential. Without proper documentation, you risk losing your lawful permanent resident status. In this video, we'll comprehensively cover everything you need to know about re-entry permits, including their purpose, eligibility requirements, application procedures, and key considerations to keep your permanent residency secure. Make sure you watch through to the end to get all the crucial information. If you find this content helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for regular updates from our channel. Now let's get into the video. Green card holders enjoy significant privileges, including the freedom to travel internationally. However, prolonged stays outside the United States pose a serious risk to your residency status. Typically, if you're abroad for over 1 year, without appropriate documentation, U.S. immigration authorities may presume you've abandoned your green card. To avoid this scenario, obtaining a re-entry permit before leaving the country is absolutely critical. So what exactly is a green card re-entry permit? Issued by U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, USCIS, a re-entry permit is a document that looks similar to a U.S. passport. It is specifically designed to demonstrate your intent to maintain your permanent resident status, despite long-term absences from the United States. With a valid re-entry permit, you can stay abroad for up to 2 years without automatically losing your residency. However, an essential requirement is applying for this permit while you're physically present in the U.S. If you leave without submitting your application, you forfeit the opportunity to receive this critical travel document. It's important to note that while the re-entry permit considerably strengthens your case upon returning to the U.S., it doesn't guarantee automatic re-entry. Customs and Border Protection, CBP, officers will still thoroughly assess your situation to confirm your genuine intention to maintain your residency. Now, who exactly needs a re-entry permit? Any green card holder planning to stay outside the United States for more than 1 year is required to have one. For those who anticipate being abroad for a duration between 6 months to 1 year, obtaining a re-entry permit is highly recommended, as it helps clearly establish your continued connections and commitment to living in the U.S. Trips shorter than 6 months typically don't require this permit, but maintaining demonstrable U.S. ties, such as a home address, active employment, or family members in the country, is strongly advised. If you're abroad for more than 2 years without obtaining a re-entry permit beforehand, you'll face additional complications. In this scenario, you'll be required to apply for a special immigrant visa known as the SB1, or returning resident visa, through a U.S. embassy or consulate. This process can be lengthy and uncertain, reinforcing why securing a re-entry permit before departure is so vital. For individuals awaiting their initial green card, obtaining a re-entry permit isn't an option. Instead, they must secure advance parole to facilitate international travel, even for shorter trips. Applying for a re-entry permit involves submitting Form I-131, the application for travel document. This form requests details about your planned travel dates, history of international travel since receiving your green card, and evidence of maintaining U.S. residency, primarily through consistent U.S. tax filings. It's crucial to submit this application while physically present in the United States. After submission, you'll be required to attend a biometrics appointment to provide fingerprints and a photograph. It's vital to attend this appointment. Missing it due to travel commitments can lead to the denial of your application. Additionally, you'll choose how to receive your permit, either via mail at a U.S. address or by picking it up at a designated U.S. embassy or consulate abroad. Currently, the filing fee for Form I-131 is $575 with potential additional charges for the biometrics process. Once you've filed your application, USCIS will issue a receipt containing a unique case number. Use this number to track the progress of your application through the USCIS online tracking system. If you opted for embassy pickup, directly contacting the embassy or consulate can provide updates on the permit's availability. When returning to the United States, it's crucial to present your reentry permit along with your valid green card and passport to CBP officers. They will review your documents carefully and may ask detailed questions regarding your reasons for travel and your continued residency intentions. Your reentry permit effectively demonstrates that your prolonged absence was not intended as an abandonment of your residency, though it does not guarantee automatic entry. Importantly, re-entry permits cannot be extended or renewed once expired. If your permit expires while you are overseas, you must return to the United States, file a new application, attend a new biometrics appointment, and relinquish your old permit. There's no formal limit on how often you can apply for re-entry permits, but frequent extended absences may result in permits valid for only 1 year, rather than the standard 2 years. Certain groups benefit from special exceptions, including U.S. government employees, professional athletes, missionaries, and international organization employees. Additionally, conditional permanent residents face specific limitations aligned with their conditional status period. Under the current stringent immigration landscape, notably due to policy shifts and stricter enforcement at borders, green card holders face heightened scrutiny. It is more important than ever to maintain visible and substantial ties to the United States, understand your residency rights clearly, and prepare thoroughly for potential border inquiries and inspections. Proactively securing a re-entry permit, considering expedited programs like global entry, and maintaining demonstrable U.S. connections can significantly reduce risks associated with extended international travel. These precautions help ensure your residency remains secure and uninterrupted, preserving your pathway toward future U.S. citizenship. We hope this detailed guide helps you navigate the re-entry permit process confidently. If you found this information valuable, please share your thoughts in the comments section below. That's all we have for this bulletin. The U.S. Immigration News Channel provides all necessary visa information and procedures for your U.S. immigration journey. It is important to understand the United States immigration processing steps, visa application requirements, processing times, forms, fees, and more. We will continue to provide all information about U.S. visitor visas, such as B1 and B2, work visas, such as L1A, L1B, and H1B, student visas, green cards, immigrant visas, EB1, EB2, EB3, EB4, and EB5, and family immigrant visas. Thank you for visiting us today, and we'll see you in the next video. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to the channel for more U.S. immigration update videos.